Learning Spanish for Beginners podcast, session 39. How to count from 31 to 100 in Spanish. Hola, welcome to a new session of the Learning Spanish for Beginners podcast. In this session, we will learn how to count from 31 all the way to 100 in Spanish, and we will review a few examples that can be used in everyday life. Today's episode is brought to you by 15-minute Spanish crash course for beginners. Would you like to speak conversational Spanish with confidence in real life? You can get a 7-day free trial with daily quick video lessons for beginners at SpanishForYourJob.com/beginners. The 15-minute Spanish crash course for beginners focuses on simple conversational Spanish you can learn quickly without having to memorize lots of confusing conjugations to get started. Get your 7-day free trial with daily 15-minute video lessons for beginners at SpanishForYourJob.com/beginners. Here it is one more time. SpanishForYourJob.com/beginners. Okay, let's get started. The numbers in Spanish from 31 to 100 follow a very consistent and predictable pattern. Let's see a few examples. Try to notice the patterns. 38, 38, 43, 43, 72, 72, 87, 87, 95, 95. As you may have guessed, these numbers in Spanish are formed by the tens, which is 30, 40, 50, followed by the word y, which means and in English, and another number from 1 to 9. For example, 45 is 45, which translates as 40 and 5. 45. Here's another example. 52. 52, which can be translated as 50 and 2. 52. 84, 84. 80 and 4. 84. First, let's take a look at each 10-number increment. Here we go. 10, 10. 20, 20. 30, 30. 40, 40. 50, 50. 60, 60. 70, 70. 80, 80. 90, 90, 100, 100. Now, let's review all the numbers in Spanish from 30 to 100. Let's start with the numbers from 30 to 39. Here we go. 30, 30, 31, 31, 32, 32, 33, 33, 34, 34, 35, 35, 36, 36, 37, 37, 38, 38, 39, 39. Now, let's continue with the numbers from 40 to 49. Here we go. 40, 40, 41, 41, 42, 42, 43, 43, 44, 44, 45, 45, 46, 46, 47, 47, 48, 48, 49, 49. Next, we have the numbers from 50 to 59. 50, 50, 51, 51, 52, 52, 53, 53, 54, 54, 55, 55, 56, 56, 57, 57, 58, 58, 59, 59. Next on the list, we have the numbers from 60 to 69. 60, 60, 61, 61, 62, 62, 63, 63, 64, 64, 65, 65, 66, 66, 67, 67, 68, 68, 69, 69. Next, we have the numbers from 70 to 79. Here we go. 70, 70, 71, 71, 72, 72, 73, 73, 74, 74, 75, 75, 76, 76, 77, 77, 78, 78, 79, 79. Now, let's review the numbers from 80 to 89. Here we go. 80, 80, 81, 81, 82, 82, 83, 83, 84, 84, 85, 85, 86, 86, 87, 87, 88, 88, 89, 89. Finally, we have the numbers from 90 to 100. Here we go. 90, 90, 91, 91, 92, 92, 93, 93, 94, 94, 95, 95, 96, 96, 97, 97, 98, 98, 99, 99, 100, 100. By the way, if you would like to learn Spanish faster by learning the 100 most common words in spoken Spanish, you can visit SpanishForYourJob.com/common words, where you will find a list of the most common words used in spoken Spanish. To access the list of most common words, you can visit SpanishForYourJob.com/common words. Also, if you would like to review a text version of this session, you can access a PDF transcript at learningspanishforbeginners.com/39. Thanks for listening to Learning Spanish for Beginners podcast. If you enjoyed this, please leave a review and share it with one friend who also wants to learn more Spanish. See you next time. Hasta la próxima.